Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Minecraft pig. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off on the left side and we're going to draw a large square for the face. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw a line across in the center. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And close it off to form a rectangle. Next, let's hop inside the nose and draw the nostrils. On the left, let's draw 2 lines in. And the same thing on the right. And then a line down on both sides. And that's it for the nose. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the eyes. From the top corners, let's draw a line up. Then let's bring it out to the sides from the top. And the same at the bottom. Then inside, let's draw a line down in the center. And then let's color the outside squares in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and we're going to draw the 3D shape to the head. Let's start on the top left corner and we're going to draw an angle up and in. Then from the top right corner, a shorter angle up. And then connect it at the top. Now top down to the bottom right corner and let's draw another angle up. And a line down to close off the head. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the body. Let's start on top of the head here and let's draw an angle over to the right side. And then from the side of the head, another angle up. And then close it off with an angled line. Now at the end, let's draw a line down. Now I'll top back over underneath the head here and let's draw a small line down underneath on the right. Then let's angle it up and over to close off the body. And then another angle over to the left under the head. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body on the left here and let's draw a line down. Then let's hop over on the right side and another line down here. And then in the center, let's draw a longer line down in the middle. Now to close off the bottom, let's angle it up on both sides. Next, inside, let's add the toenails. On the bottom left, let's draw an angle down and then bring it down to the bottom. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw another angle in the same way and bring it down on both sides. Now on the left, let's add the next leg. Let's start with a line down. Now let's angle it up. And one more line down. Now from the bottom corner, let's angle it back up and in. Now top in and let's draw the toenails in the same way. Start with an angle on the bottom, bring it down, another angle, and 2 lines down. And that's it for the front legs. Now we're going to move over and draw the back ones. Let's start at the back of the body here and let's draw a line down. Then hop over and let's draw a longer line down next to it. And then a shorter one over on the left. Now at the bottom, let's angle it up on both sides. And then let's add the toenails inside in the same way. Now for the last foot, let's hop over next to it on the left and let's draw a line down. And then angle it up on the left and on the right. Now let's add the toenail inside with a small angle and 2 lines down. And then the next toenail with a small line. And that's it for this Minecraft pig. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!